Hello, what is EGMS? The European Ground Motion Service, or rather EGMS, is the latest offering from the Copernicus Land Monitoring Service. EGMS provides measurements of millimetre scale movements of the ground. As with all Copernicus services, EGMS products are openly accessible and free of charge to everyone. The service provides data covering all Copernicus participating states plus the United Kingdom. EGMS provides ground motion data on a continental scale in the form of maps overlain by measurement points of ground motion. These are colour-coded by their velocity in terms of millimetres per year. EGMS products are made from the multi-temporal analysis of images acquired by the Sentinel-1 radar satellite mission of Europe's Copernicus programme. EGMS will help build awareness and inform about geological hazards and ground motion phenomena in European countries. The service will support more sustainable choices in planning, control and development and management of land resources, buildings and infrastructure. Some of the most valuable applications of EGMS include assessment of geological hazards, urban development and planning control, infrastructure management and environmental monitoring. EGMS products have some unique attributes: precise, high-density, wide-area mapping, plus a unique ability to look back in time to show ground motion trends. EGMS products are useful for studying and monitoring a variety of ground displacement phenomena such as landslides, all forms of subsidence and tectonics. EGMS comprises three main products ranging from a low to a high level. These are called Basic, Calibrated and Ortho. For each of these, the point-and-click time series plots are available for every measurement point. The EGMS Basic product includes all measurements of ground motion. However, basic products are relative to a stable point within the same dataset, plus any displacement is projected onto the satellite's line of sight, so these data might require more expert interpretation. The EGMS calibrated product is anticipated to see widest use. It's the same as the basic product, but the measurements are anchored to a newly derived GNSS reference frame. This makes the EGMS measurements in effect absolute and simplifies integration with other data. As mentioned, every measurement point contains the time series of the individual satellite measurements to reveal the profile of any displacements at that point over the period analysed. In this image of a town near Cologne in Germany, we see significant subsidence caused by lowering of the underground water table. Finally, the EGMS Ortho product is calculated from a combination of the differing satellite look angles of the calibrated product to derive purely vertical and purely east-west horizontal measurements in two discrete datasets. Such data can be useful in areas of topography, landslides, and for measurement of lateral displacements. The Ortho product may be easier to understand and interpret as it provides an unambiguous direction of any observed displacement. The EGMS service is delivered via the Copernicus Land Monitoring Services website, where the map products are made available and presented to users in a dedicated viewer. This allows visualization, analysis and download of data for ingestion into a user's own system. Also on the EGMS website, you can find stacks of information about the service, including technical and user manuals. I hope this brief introduction to EGMS has been useful and inspired you to investigate further. Goodbye.